Hello viewers, yeah, it's Relicky here. I started having the omelette after my workouts in gym today, and I have a bit of cheese in it. And I was thinking the other day, after that conversation I had recorded, I wonder if she can make an omelette without a microwave. So it made me chuckle a bit, and I decided. So as you can see there, I've got 2 eggs in a little jug, just using up a tiny whisk, just mix the eggs up, and this is what, you don't have to do this is what I do, just add just a tiny little bit of milk, there we go, right, so mix that in. Now then, the next trick is, we're going to put it in the pan there, so now then Cody, pay attention, I'm going to light the grill. So the grill's lit as well. Now this only takes a couple of minutes, this. Okay, so you don't need no oil in a non-stick pan, trust me. We're just going to pour that egg mixture there in the pan and let it cook. Right, while it's cooking, we're going to get a cheese grater, right, and a block of cheese. And you just need a little bit of cheese, not a lot. That'll do. So, not much there. So I've just grated a little bit of cheese there. While that egg's cooking, it only takes a few seconds, okay? There's no need to rush and there's no need to panic. Right, after about a minute and a half, 2 minutes, right, what I'm going to do now is use a spatula and just go around the edges like that, right? And I'm looking at the bottom of the, lifting it up, and I'm seeing if it's cooked at the bottom, and it is. So I'm just going to give it about another minute. Right, takes about 2 minutes, 3 minutes this, Cody. Nice colour that on the bottom now. So what we're going to do now is just sprinkle on top that grated cheese that you've just done. Right. Don't have to be perfect. Heat's off, stove, and now we're going to pop this into the grill. And again, a couple of minutes, that's all you need. Right, Cody, look at that. After a couple of minutes on the grill, look, your cheese has melted really nice and the egg has gone really fluffy. So what you do now, look, just use your spatula, right, and just draw an imaginary line down the middle like that. You see, and all you have to do now is just fold it over and slip it out of the pan. And there you go. Look at that. That's not bad, that. No microwave.